जल्दी पहुंचना है वहां पे. You know, that's what it means. Mumukshutva means the person who wants to go there fast. अभी चाहिए मुझे. You know, that's what I
Okay.
was saying. आपने उल्टा.
Yeah, because
आप कहीं खाना तो नहीं बना रहे हो ना अभी? खाना बनाते बनाते सुन रहे हो तो उल्टा सुनना शुरू कर दिया आपने.
नहीं, मैं बिल्कुल धूप में लेट के सुन रही हूँ आपको. I'm doing sunbathing and listening to the talk.
अच्छा. So that's what I mean. That word is mumukshutva. So
Yeah, but according to Paramahansa Yogananda, the search for God, you cannot wait for search for God. You have the urgency to get it now, today. That desire, when you have that desire, only then you can achieve to moksha.
Yeah, true.
Okay.
That's exactly what he's saying over here कि नचिकेता had that desire. So हम लोग का क्या प्रॉब्लम ये है कमला जी, हम लोग बोलते कुछ हैं. I'm not talking about just you, in general. So whenever I'm saying over here, it's like हम लोग को इतना डिजायर है तो हमको क्यों नहीं मिल रहा है? बिकॉज हम लोग बोलते हैं लेकिन हम लोग वैसे काम वैसे नहीं करते हैं, इसके लिए हम लोग को नहीं मिलता है. अब नचिकेता को दिखा रहे हैं उसका कि उसको भी वो मिलने के पहले उसको कितनी परीक्षाएं देनी पड़ी बाबा, लेकिन वो टस से मस नहीं हुआ. हम लोग कभी कभी परीक्षा में एकदम घबरा जाते हैं एकदम, यू नो. So that's what it is. That अगर सचमुच किसी को ऐसी डिजायर हो, अभी नचिकेता को थी, उसको ब्रह्म ज्ञान मिल गया. By the end of this, you will see that he got it. But what he had to go through for it, you know, that's what it is. So this what we'll just stop here. If anybody has any question about this particular verse or any concept here, we can take it up right now. Sheila ji.
Sometimes I really think like so greatness that India has such a pure soul in past, in our history, like Nachiketa, and then sometimes we think about Dhruv, just small boy, you know. He has so much determination, and I just get so overwhelmed. That I feel so happy to say what kind of great culture we have.
True.
Our home to learn. If we want to learn, we can learn from a small. Just we take Nachiketa. We can learn from him a lot.
True.
If we want to learn, and like Dhruv, a 5-year-old boy, and how much he got it when he said that I have to see Bhagwan Ji, no matter I have to give up the life. I have to see it. Then he got it.
Yeah. And so there's one more boy. Anybody remembers his name? There are 3 boys very famous.
Prahlad Ji, right?
Prahlad. There you go. Yeah. So Prahlad, Dhruv and Nachiketa. These are the 3, amazing boys of our history too.
But I didn't know before that Nachiketa so much.
Yeah, because true. Prahlad की और ध्रुव की स्टोरी ज्यादा पॉपुलर है, because they are in the Puranas. वो पुराण में है, ये इसमें है, उपनिषद में है. हाँ, इसके लिए.
Because we never learn. I heard the name in future, but not to that extent, Just Nachiketa कोई था, not that young as a young boy. I thought maybe some, pure devotee, just up to that. Yeah, I feel really happy. Sometimes I get inspiration too.
That's the whole idea. You got to inspire you, and it's putting in the right context. This, again. That's
right.
What it is.
Thank you.
Anybody else has any point, question? Want to make a comment? So we'll close here then. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramaya, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kaschid Dukha Bhag Bhavet. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Any question with these things or any spiritual question? I want to discuss on any particular topic, and Meena ji, if you want to discuss more on that example, if you want to discuss anything, you're welcome to. It's a good time.
I was just thinking how Meeraji took up and what she thought and what I was going through, slightly different things. It's the same thing, amounts to the same thing. But, I was just taking that example to myself and thinking, okay, what am I mean, if who is the driver? If my mind and intellect are the driver, then whose car is it, and who is sitting, and then what type of what would attribute to a sattvic and rajasic type person in that case? If the driver was not the driver, but the owner of the car is the Atma, which is sitting inside. I am the vehicle, and my mind and intellect are the drivers.
Yeah, in that Rath example, that's what it is. Yes.
That's what it is, right? And if the mind and intellect don't ask the driver where to go and give the direction, and he goes there, that person or the mind and intellect takes the owner there, whatever he's going. That means going straight, that means he's following the higher one, and therefore that means that he's a sattvic person. And if the driver asks that and does the mind and intellect, the driver asks where to go and yet takes the scenic route to go there, and on his various ways, he's going there and then reaches there, but that's sort of rajasic to me. It was rajasic to me. And then the third one, if it doesn't ask, only that, okay, my master is sitting and I'm just going to take, not knowing where it's going, and that would be your
Tamasic.
not the tamasic way of doing it. That means ignorance is represented there, because he's just going, not asking where he's going. So ignorant person is just taking his life as is without questioning what the meaning of the life is, what the purpose of the life is, and where, to go. So to me, it was that ignorance was represented by that.
I think that's good. Yeah, whatever you said, that also fits very well. So,
it can be interpreted the other way also, that when you are not asking where are you going, you are just going, means you are surrendering completely.
No, but here, Kamla ji, you cannot see that. ये example में, हर एक example में एक point देते हैं, right? ये वाले में वो आप बोल रहे हैं, वो वाला पॉइंट सरेंडर वाला पॉइंट है. सरेंडर करना है तो किसको करो मालूम बोल रहे हैं इस एग्जांपल जो ये बोल रहे हैं, हायर सेल्फ को सरेंडर करो. सो जो रथ का एग्जांपल है ना, उसमें कृष्ण भगवान को बिठाया ना वहां पे, which represent our higher self, our purified mind. And कृष्ण भगवान क्यों purified mind है? He has held your mind and intellect range जो पकड़ी हुई है, जो मन को is the लगाम पकड़ के रखो और तो फिर आपका ये एग्जाम्पल सही बैठता है. लेकिन जो ये कह रही है ना कि भाई ब्लाइंडली आप जाओगे तो क्रैश होगा ही होगा. अगर इवन हमारी जो कार है, अगर हम बिना देखे चलाएंगे तो क्या होगा? क्रैश हो जाएगा ना. सो इग्नोरेंस इज लाइक आई डोंट इवन नो वेयर आई एम गोइंग, रोड कहाँ है, साइंस कहाँ है, आई विल क्रैश. So we जो example
that's true.
Yeah, you have to go in the right direction with the example if you want to get the maximum out of the example.
Yes.
In fact, जो आपने बोला ना सरेंडर का, वो उसका सिंबोलिज्म ही यही है कि जो अपना माइंड बुद्धि को ना भगवान में सरेंडर कर दो, तो फिर तुम इंस्ट्रूमेंट बन जाओगे.
But all sattvic ho gaya na, because he asked the the owner, okay, where am I going and what the route is, and he follows. That means he's asking already the higher one, and he's following the direction.
Yeah. Got it.
True.
That would be sattvic.
I want to bring one point.
Yes.
That I read this stuff from Shankaracharya's book. He had given these notes. The Shankaracharya of the South, 90-year-old when he died. So this was a book from him. And when he described these 4 caste systems, he defined for every one of them what their duties are. So for example, we think we are Brahman or we are Sattvic, but we are not. So they are very well classified. 4 words he explained. And within that world, if you just follow your duty, and this is where, the thing came about reincarnation, then you can get wherever you want in your next life. That's the way he explained.
So it's there in Bhagavad Gita. It's coming, but it's late in the later chapters. I think in chapter 18 में आएगा. तो क्या basically क्या है कि
Sattvic, Rajasic, not Sattvic, Rajasic, but you are like Shudra or
उसकी भी duties है. True.
Brahman. So long as you can still follow the same rules.
What they are telling you, see, that's why हम लोग ने इतना लंबा चौड़ा डिस्कशन किया. जब हम लोग ऐसे सात्विक राजसिक और तामसिक ऐसे प्योर सात्विक राजसिक तब वो प्रॉब्लम होता है. पर एक पर्सनालिटी जो तुम पैदा हुए हो उसको तुम लेकर कैसे तुम अपनी जर्नी करो. हाउ डू यू स्टार्ट ड्राइविंग योर कार विद दैट. सो यू डू योर जॉब with according to your temperament. So if you have more tamas in you, there are still ways you can get the moksha by dedicating it to God. That's the whole trick.
And that is why we went through this destiny versus will. I don't know if everybody...
It did. Who first of all, किसने सुना? Any one of the thing, किसने सुना? Okay, Anil ji ne.
If you haven't, you should hear it.
Other people... It's only half an hour. I think it would be good if you guys listen. Because
I did. I listened.
Oh, you did? Because see, when you don't show your face, I don't know. So Geeta ji did. So basically, you saw, somebody wants to summarize what he said. What was the main thing that you came out with it? That half an hour one. He gave a very important point. That, we have the illusion, he said, of free will. First of all, he said this free will business, it's not in Vedanta. Vedanta means freedom. Freedom from everything. Then you don't question anything. But it is okay to use that illusion to reach that freedom state, he said. So there is a role of free will. If you feel that you have a free will, it's not such a bad thing. Because if you are at that level, you can 100% use that to reach there. But uska role utna hi, exactly what I had told you, like a pole. That you are trying to make that high jump and you're using it like a pole. That's all he said. It's an illusion.
Sadhguru also talked about this. And he said our action, what we are doing, is maybe 1 or 2% of all the other stuff that's going around us, which makes us do stuff. So really we think, that 1 or 2% is the whole thing. But there's so many dimensions to it.
So many dimensions. And if you think about it, like Anil ji brought the ego ka point. Free will is connected with ego. Think about it. Mm-hmm. The moment I feel I can do this, I can do that, मैं सब आ गया कि नहीं? In fact, there is a very famous saying that this man goes to Buddha and says, I want happiness. And he said, drop the I and drop the want and you have happiness. I love that quote. So that's exactly what it is. If you are too much into free will, that means your ego is more gelled. You got to loosen it, Because अगर किसी ने बोला कि अरे हम लोग कुछ भी प्लान कर ले, and then this Swami ji was saying, तेजोमयानंद जी, ये पेंडेमिक ही देख लो ना, सभी के प्लान को उल्टा सीधा पता नहीं क्या कर दिया. I mean, my husband had 4 different meetings this year in 2020. एक ने तो टिकट भी भेज दी थी, Everything got, and now in this 2021 also, finished. Like, nobody's going anywhere. Nobody is doing anything.
Olympic cancel हो गया.
Exactly. So क्या तो तुम लोग free will पुरुषार्थ सारा पुरुषार्थ मिट्टी में मिल गया कि नहीं सभी का. So if you understand that hey, I'm just an instrument, whatever comes in my plate every day I just do that, we'll be much happier people.
उमा जी किसमें इन्होंने ये किसकी कौन से इसकी बिल्डिंग की बात कर रही है आप ना, कि मैंने नहीं पढ़ा.
ये फ्री विल का डिस्कशन हो रहा था, तो मैंने कहा था कि सर्वप्रियानंद जी ने लेक्चर दिए हुए हैं फ्री विल पे, वही पूछ रहा हूँ ना. हाँ, तो ये इन्होंने डाला हुआ है अपने ये उपनिषद वाले में, राइट?
आई थिंक उनके तो मैंने सुने सर्वप्रियानंद जी के.
एंड आई थिंक सुशील जी ने डाला था एक, काफी दूसरे लंबे थे, बट एक जो मेरे को सबसे लगा 30 minutes में ही टोल्ड एवरीथिंग. सो आई थॉट दैट people may not have hour and 15 minutes, but 30 minutes you can, sometime if you have earphones and all while doing your dishes or something, you can hear it too.
या सो आपने डाला या कैसे उसमें से उपनिषद की क्लास में से देखूं या गीता में डाल
नहीं, आई थिंक सुशील जी, यू कौन से चेन पे डाला आपने? वी कैन नॉट हियर यू.
उपनिषद पे था.
No,
उपनिषद
I put it in the jokes one because
jokes
I'm not that
Okay, jokes one.
broke. So Joe, maybe you want to add me back into that.
Yeah, I'll send it. Okay.
नहीं, ये अच्छा, I can add you also. Oh, I didn't know that you are not in it.
And I've heard it 4 or 5 times because although experience that is destiny, but he emphasized that in such a way that he took scientific point of view and everything.
Yeah, no, he explained it beautifully.
he
Because,
said
you know,
to me,
who compared it to the rope, cow tied to the
yes,
rope.
yeah, that's
So the free will is very, very limited anyway.
yeah. Anyway, true.
Anyway, so
So that's a very important
surrendering
point.
is the only option we have. If you
Look.
don't surrender, you're going to go wrong because your mind will play tricks.
True.
What it says is don't worry about anything. Things will work out.
पर क्या होता है ना, जो ये सुनने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है, प्रैक्टिस करने में बहुत मुश्किल होता है ये. तो उन्होंने कहा कि ओके ठीक है, अगर तुमको लगता है कि तुम्हारे पास फ्री विल है, लिमिटेड, लाइक व्हाट, दैट इज अनदर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. नोबडी सेड दैट यू हैव फ्री विल टू डू एनीथिंग यू वांट. नो, certain things are fixed in our life, we cannot change it, but within that अगर तुमको लगता है कि कुछ करने से, तो अच्छे अच्छे काम करो, उससे तुम्हारा मन. बेसिकली क्या जर्नी मुझे समझ में आई, you start with this illusion of free will that will take you to the freedom. So धीरे धीरे जैसे जैसे mind purify होएगा ना, you will realize I'm not the doer. And that's exactly what Bhagavad Gita was telling you. That, you use this 4 varnas, all that, try to understand Prakriti and Purush, or, like the separation, and then take
All the
that.
time you think that God is making you do and you don't have free will, then you can't go wrong also.
Whichever angle you want to take. If you want to take a thing of surrender, the person who is surrendered, okay, he doesn't feel like he has a free will then, does he? He बोलता है भगवान की मर्जी, बोलता है ना वो फिर.
भगवान की मर्जी.
हाँ, और जो
That's right.
ज्ञान के मार्ग से जिसने जान लिया, जो कृष्ण भगवान ने ज्ञान का मार्ग दिखाया आपने कुछ चैप्टर 4 में, कि भाई मैं जन्म और कर्म मेरा, आई एम नॉट द डूअर, एंड इवन दो आई टेक बर्थ, एक्चुअली आई एम नॉट टेकिंग. तो ज्ञान के मार्ग से समझ लिया उसने, या भक्ति के मार्ग से समझ लिया, और कर्म के मार्ग में यू गिव अप द फ्रूट ऑफ एक्शन.
गुरु नानक से कि उसकी इच्छा के बिना एक पत्ता भी नहीं हिलता.
So Kabir said that.
All of them say the same thing.
नानक से
that is अपने को.
you are inside you is God. That's what he said.
That's what Krishna Bhagwan is saying. That's what Sadhguru says. That's what Tejomayanand ji. Everybody's saying the same thing. They might use a different language.
And that is true.
That
We
doesn't mean
accept
you
it or
do
not.
anything. That
Huh?
means you'll do what you're supposed to do.
If you want to take it that way, that's totally fine. I think if we understand the whole spectrum, किसी ने बोला कि हम लोग को जाना है सेंटर में, राइट? एक सर्कल बना लो. हम लोग का गोल है टू गो इन द सेंटर. तुम जहां खड़े हो ना, वो सर्कमफ्रेंस में, वहीं से जाओगे ना.
वहीं से जाओगे.
थिंक अबाउट इट. सो सबके पाथ अलग हो सकते हैं. तो किसी को लग रहा है ओ नो आई वांट टू गो द डेस्टिनी राउट, जाके देखो डेस्टिनी राउट से. किसी को जाना हो यहाँ जा, पहुंचेंगे सब वहीं. दैट्स व्हाट इट इज. So you can think if you want to think you have a free will, but be sure that it is a limited free will. For that, we don't need to be a rocket scientist. Does everybody agree? If I want to become the king of the world, तो मैं थोड़ी बन जाऊंगी कल.
Right.
So limited है, but within my, अगर मैं मेहनत करूंगी तो मुझे फल भी मिलेगा उसका. True.
I think through trial and error, everybody will get there.
Yes, that's true. And the other very important point that comes out of all this discussion is there is no absolute in this world. You will never find it. Does everybody agree? Absolute is only that Atma. अगर तुम यहाँ बोलो कि नो ये गलत है और वो सही है, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता. जो एक बात किसी को गलत लगती है वो दूसरी को सही लगेगी. तो फिर we have to just in the end you say as long as I know I'm on the right path and I'm making progress, that's what counts. And like what Shireen said, we all are heading to that direction. Somebody is taking direct, somebody is taking thoda ghoom gham ke, but ja sabhi rahe hain wahi.
Somebody makes one mistake, somebody makes 10 mistakes.
And I can tell you one thing, human beings do not learn until they make a mistake. Do you agree? तुम अपने बच्चों को बोल के देख लो.
You have to make a mistake.
Yeah, unless they experience it, oh no mom, this is not true. फिर बाद में 5 साल के बाद आके बोलेंगे no, you're right, because they themselves went through.
See, that Shiv Sutra says that we are all born incomplete. Because if you are complete, we'll be God.
I mean, you can, from one angle, that is true. Because अगर हम लोग already complete होता तो हमको birth लेने की जरूरत क्या थी फिर? हम तो merge हो गए होते ना.
I know. So the idea is, if you are incomplete, it does not matter whether you are 99% incomplete or 9% incomplete.
You can take the leap from anywhere. That's all you can say. But then थोड़ा सा modify करना होगा वो उसको.
But we are all moving towards completeness.
Right. Through trial and error.
Whether we want it or not.
So Joe, in the light of Vedanta, the correct sentence would be, we have an illusion of being incomplete.
Right.
If people agree that whatever Vedanta we have learned, that's what it's telling you. We have an illusion.
I said that you are already there, but you are in your own way of saying I'm not there.
Yeah. We feel that way, but reality is something different. So that was good.
I am there. I am, but I don't. Go ahead. Sorry.
Humility होती है इंडियन लोगों में. अजी हम कुछ भी नहीं है. That is the way we are taught.
Yeah, I mean that's one angle. True.
You don't want to say you are God, because then everybody will start saying, "Oh, look at that! How much ego he has. He's talking about he is God." So it's very different the way people look at it.
You cannot say I am God because I came in there, because then you're seeing everybody as God.
Yeah.
It's true. Then you cannot say I am, because you're looking at
God
the other
is
person as God also.
When I say I am God means the whole universe is part of me. So
I'm part of God.
It's a limitation of the language. That's what it is, Meeraji.
Yeah.
It's a
limitation, but at the same time, you cannot say because the other person doesn't understand it.
Yeah.
And therefore, you cannot say that to anybody. You have it in you.
And that's, I think that's why Krishna Bhagavan has explained this many different ways in Bhagavad Gita. When we come to chapter 13, whoever has read chapter 13, he's going to talk about, field and the knower of the field. And he's going to say that knower is one.
Yes.
So and the way that we give the example is that electrical equipments are millions of them throughout the world, but electricity is the same. So when we say कि मैं एक हूँ तो वो कौन से context में आप बोल रहे हो? So equipments अलग अलग हैं, true, लेकिन electricity वही है. तो शरीर अलग अलग है, आत्मा एक ही है.
Meena ji, I really wanted to clarify when I meant for that example. All I meant to say was that I was looking at the example in a very limited textual manner at the time, but your explanation is so much more profound, and it leads to so many other beautiful things. So I didn't mean to. I mean, if it came across like that I was saying that maybe that's not a valid explanation. That was not the idea at all. Just wanted to say.
No, Meeraji, it wasn't, because that's the nice point, that how we think, and that's what it brought out. How each one having the same material, how one thinks. To me, that was so beautiful.
I think both have value, if you ask me. Both of whatever you guys were thinking, both have value. Because if you keep it simplistic, then also it is a good thing, because that's what he was saying. But that example does have the capacity to stretch. And Bhagavad Gita is the same way. अभी जितने भी concept हम लोग अभी कर रहे हैं discuss, उसमें कोई भी fixed नहीं है opinion. You saw that. Free will or destiny का भी, it is you have to see the whole picture. कौन से एंगल से बोल रहे हो, कौन बोल रहा है, किस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में बोल रहा है, फिर उसका एक्सप्लेनेशन मिलेगा. You cannot make a blanket statement saying that there is no free will or there is only destiny. Again, there is a problem because when you are in it, you feel the illusion of it, and that also is valid because that can take you also. See what I'm saying? So when it comes to Vedanta, we have to put our thinking hat. Like we tell the kids, no, put your thinking hat on.
Yeah.
You know, you cannot go by just, you have to do a lot of thinking. And the more you wrestle these opposite ideas into your head and it starts sinking in, actually opposite wrestle करने से ना वो sink थोड़ा ज़्यादा होता है फिर. तो ये भी example लो, वो भी example लो, फिर धीरे धीरे वो sink होने लगता है.
See, I was wrestling because to me, when I look at it, how does it apply? How does it apply? Everything it comes. To me, I have to see it that way. Maybe more than examples, how does it apply to me? You know, to the human beings, because that's what he's talking about, you, yourself.
Yeah.
So that's what I may be wrong, but still I need some clarification with that. That's all. That was it.
No,
I
but
think that's why I always say that everybody is right in their own way because
I don't think you're wrong, because what happens is, and I went through this quite a bit because I was listening all the Vedanta and everything, and then I hear getting messages from Shiva. So I say, how does he fit into all this? Because if it is all like the way it's supposed to be. So then I came up with this, that everybody is universe, which includes Shiva for me, and maybe Ram for you, or maybe Krishna for you, is different. And some of that is dependent on what you have gone through in your previous lives and what is lacking in you. For that to help you comes the portion of the universe which you haven't experienced before. So that is why same talk we are having, everybody is thinking, getting different items from it.
Yeah.
yeah,
But we
everybody
are all
will get
moving
what they
towards
need.
the same
Everybody
goal.
will get.
That is true.
You know, sometimes have you guys experienced this, that or maybe other people talk about it, that तुम्हारे मन में कोई प्रश्न है, हाँ, कि what do I do this, or something is bothering you, and then you go and listen to somebody speak. अभी तो क्या हम लोग physically नहीं जा रहे हैं, पर कभी कभी ये बड़े बड़े महात्माज आते हैं, and then you get to go and listen, and then they bring that same point in there, and you get total clarity. How did that? He knew that I had this question. You know, because
I had gone through that. I went to a
yeah,
lecture.
it happens so much, you know,
And I was reading a book, and every time I asked a question, she was answering in the lecture.
yeah, see, that's what I mean. So universe
I met her later.
universe
I
is
asked her,
alive. It knows what you need, and if you really want something, it will give it to you through somebody.
Then I used to have a friend of mine, he passed away, he was IIT gold medalist, and he used to send me emails every day. And this was regarding Osho and all the philosophy. So anybody asked me a question, I used to get his email which gave the answer. And that happens because, you know,
I
not
mean, you know,
anymore.
I still remember one time, you know, in Houston, एक है ना, जब हम लोग के बच्चे teenager थे, one of my son's friend got into a very bad car accident. Like, जैसे वो था मौत के मुंह से निकल के आया, उसका एक हाथ कट गया वगैरह वगैरह, but luckily he had a very successful life, he became a doctor and all that. जब ये हुआ ना, तो हम सारी माँ बाप इतने डर गए ना, कि भाई, oh, we didn't want our kids to go, and we didn't want him to go on that road जहाँ पर accident हुआ था. It's a natural thing. And it's like, but it's not a good thing for the child, you know, to restrict them, don't go here, don't. So I went into there was one Swamiji over there, so I just went casually. And he had no connection. I had never asked him that question. In his lecture, he said, you know, parents, कोई एक accident होता है, तो उसको बोलते हैं वहाँ मत जाओ. That has nothing to do with him. वो accident उसका प्रारब्ध था. इसका मतलब नहीं किसी और का हो जाएगा वहाँ पे. And I'm like, wow, you know, I got my answer. I don't need to stop them and all that and get so paranoid. So,
Okay.
but it coming from a saint, it have a lot of impact. मेरा husband बोलता तो शायद मैं नहीं सुनती. But उन्होंने बोला तो वो उतर गया मेरे मन में. Yeah, that's true, you know. Why I'm so scared, you know. It's okay if they go. और कुछ किसी को? कितना बजा? 1 बज गया वैसे. Somebody has any burning thing we can discuss? Everybody looks satisfied, happy. Okay, great. So मिलते हैं फिर next week. किसी का कुछ हल्ला गुल्ला हो रहा है. कमला जी खाना पका रही है. कुछ मिक्सी में पीसा जा रहा है कमला जी के घर में.
पका रही है या खा रही है?